Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, today I want to talk to you guys about Let's nStyle. And I have already put up one video that tells you all about Let's nStyle, and I showed everything that I got in that particular video, and I will post that video up here so that you can go back and reference to it. But today I wanted to just kind of touch base with you, let you know what I've done with some of the items that I've gotten, and I'm going to give you just a little bit of brief history about them so I can kind of remind you what they're all about. Let's nStyle was born out of a passion for fashion and the desire to bring affordable yet trendy accessories to fashion-conscious individuals. At Let's nStyle, we offer a wide range of accessories that are not only trendy and stylish but also adorable, and I will have to say that that is very, very true. Everything is really cute, all the things that I got, and there's hundreds of things on their site. They also say we believe that fashion is a form of self-expression and everyone should have the opportunity to showcase their unique style without breaking the bank. And again, I totally agree with that mission statement that they have. Whether you're looking to add a statement piece to your outfit or simply want to refresh your jewelry collection, Let's nStyle's got you covered. And that is pretty much what we're going to talk about today, is some jewelry, because I got several pieces. And it says that they believe it's a lifestyle. They believe fashion is a way to express your unique personality. And again, I'll have to say that they cover that in all the different styles of jewelry that they show, because they've got classic, they've got boho, they've got bohemian, they've just got all styles. And it says that they pride themselves on exceptional customer service. They have a friendly and knowledgeable team, and I would have to say that they have been really well with me customer service wise, and got back in touch with me and been really good. So their fashion statement is to express yourself through fashion, be bold, be beautiful, be Let's nStyle. Now, what do I have here for you guys today? Well, I have several of the jewelry pieces that I got free from them. They did send it over to me free for review. Anyways, I would like to thank them for sending this over to me, and I'm going to show you some of the pieces. Now, I've got some of it on, but before I get to my pieces that I have on, I'm going to show you this beautiful little necklace here, and I want you to know you get things in multiples, and I got two of this necklace with the little heart. And guys, I don't remember pricing, and again, you'll have to refer back to my original video, and I will have it showing and popping up here so that you can click and find out. But I got two sets, and I want to say it was around $2 to $3, if that much. And I'm talking about you get two sets. When you order on there, if it says you're getting 3 sets or 4 or 1 or 7, I mean, that's what you're going to get. You're going to get that many of each item. And let me tell you, that's kind of handy for Christmas, and we're getting into that season. So if you have multiple gifts that you have to give, like at work or at school, and you don't know what to get people, but they're women, girls, whatever, I think you would find some cute items on there that you could give for gifts, and they would just be excellent. Now, this was the most expensive thing that I got that was sent to me, and it was this beautiful silver fashion jewelry set. And as you can tell, this definitely would make a statement. You have your drop earrings, and this was to have 2 pieces. Unfortunately, I only received 1, but I wasn't overly upset because I really thought I was just getting 1 of each item to begin with. But you can get 2 sets for $4.95, I think it was, for this set. I did pick out some bohemian style, and this is a necklace, and it's got like the leather rope style. You can just put that over your head, and then it hangs down. That'll give you an idea what it would look like. It does hang down pretty far, so take that in consideration whenever you are purchasing. You might want to look at the length of the jewelry, and they did have matching earrings with this. And with this one, you got the earrings, you got the necklace, and you got 3 sets. That's right, you got 3 sets of this. So it was very nice, and again, it was just around $2, between 2 and 3 for this, and for 3 sets. So if you have a bohemian style friend or a person that likes the boho look, I think you would find styles there. Now I'm going to start working on the things that I have on. And I did get some bracelets, and this was 3 bracelets, in one set for around, again, $2. And that's not exact price, but I'm just trying to give you an idea that I got these for a few dollars. And prices could have changed too, so that's something to keep in mind. But I got 2 sets, and I don't have the other set because I had a giveaway in my first video, and that person already has a copy of everything that I've shown except for this piece because I didn't have 2 of them. And had I had 2, I would have sent it. But I specifically got that for something I want to wear it for to make a statement. Now, the next things that I'm going to show you are things that I have on. I just showed you the bracelets. I got 3 sets of these earrings. And I'm going to show that to you. And they came in little packages like this. And I've already given away one, but I have this set here, and I'm wearing this set, and aren't they just beautiful? And again, this was just a couple of bucks for 3 packages. And then on my necklace, I have the stars, and this here, this 2-tone right here. I had this, and not this necklace, but the 2-tone strand. So that's one necklace right here, but I got 3 of them, and I wanted to show you how it looks and how you can layer it with other necklaces, and I got 3. So 3 in a pack for a couple of dollars. I mean, it was just really phenomenal. Now, I did get some other items, but today I am only going to show you the jewelry pieces, and then I wanted to show you how they wear and how much I really liked them, and it was fun that I was able to give a whole set of everything away to one of you lucky subscribers in that giveaway. And it was also nice to have multiples because then I have gifts for other occasions. And I think for Christmas shopping and things like that, if you are interested in getting items like that for your family or friends, it would be a good place to go. And it's nStyle.com. I'll have their information down in my description, and you can pop right on over there. And I do have a discount code, LSmiss. But I wanted to let you know because you can save an additional 10%. And again, I will have that information down in my description so that you can pop right on over and check them out. And guys, I will stream a few photos across there so that you can kind of see, and I've probably already done that in this video, but I wanted you to see a few of the things because besides the jewelry, they have hair accessories, they have fun little things like cute little keychains. And I did get a keychain, but I gave both of them away already as gifts, one to the winner and one to a friend. So they're gone and I can't show it to you, but I can tell you that they were really, really cute, and they have hundreds on there. I mean, if you're a dog lover, cat lover, owls, I can't even think of everything. All kinds of birds, flamingos, just everything that you could think of. All kinds of glittery, bedazzled keychains. And, of course, they've got some elephants. Just, I don't know, all kinds of things. So you just have to go over there and look. And with the hair accessories, there's tons. There's headbands, there's hair clips, there's all kinds of things. So be sure and go over there and check out Let's nStyle. And I hope you like the way I decided to, I guess you could say, bedazzle myself today with Let's nStyle. Be you, be bold, be Let's nStyle. And guys, that's all I have today. And be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways that are currently going on. I do have my 2K celebration, and it does have some international giveaways in video number 3. There's 3 videos, 3 USA giveaways, and 2 international. So you'll have to go and check those out if you're interested. But as for today and the Let's nStyle, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.